So when the blinds are broken, or the blinds are giving you a little bit of trouble, just wear the blind as a hat. You shall be good. Negative on the corona. We had a little corona scare last week, so went and got tested and negative, so that's good. But we took the precautions necessary. I was about to go to work on Friday and found out, got a test Friday, got the results back this morning, so that's pretty good, even over the weekend. So it was like 3 days to get the results. They stuck the swab up way deep. My friend told me that if I went to this specific place, they didn't do that. But then I got up there and the lady said, yes, we weren't swabbing deep, but the tests weren't coming out right, so we have to swab deep now. And she got deep up in there. I should have filmed it, but I didn't. I don't know why. I had my GoPro. Oh well. Is what it is. Today I got a outside house to do, and then a vacant townhome or condo, something that's ranch level to do. So I thought I'd take you guys along for the day. It's kind of sad. It's the really the last few weeks I'm working at 2020. It's just kind of like I touched on in the last video, it's just kind of crazy to kind of like go through jobs that you know you won't do again. It's very weird, but at the same time it's like pretty freaking exciting to just start up a whole new business, do all the things to start the business, get all your marketing material together. It's a lot of fun. It is a lot of fun. It's costly, but it's costly in a good way. I've really learned how to invest properly, and I don't get things I don't need. I don't get things I want. I just get the things that I have to do the business. So yeah. So anyways, let's get going with the day, and we'll go clean some windows. Steve, why do you uncoil the whole thing if you don't need it? It's because if this sits coiled, sometimes it pinches. See how flat that hose is there? It's not bad. Once it fills up, it all comes apart. What I always undo is I'd find sometimes these reels, no matter what reel, would pinch and then restrict water flow. Very easy job here. Clean some screens real quick. and then I think windows will be done. Less than an hour, I bet.
Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again. I wake again. I pray the Lord that I. Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again. I wake again. I pray the Lord that I wake again. Sleep, I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again. I pray the Lord that I. Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again. I wake again.
What I wanted to show you guys is new belt. New belt. So the belt that I always used with the pouch that you guys always really liked, I think that company has been sold to Cobalt. Kobalt. And it seems like they sold that design of that pouch that I really like, 'cause my pouch broke finally after 2 years as far as the threading coming undone. But here, I'll show you. So that now is the pouch. So the IPC holder goes there, frame squeegee, bronze wool, cutting knife, towels, below the towels, water key. Usually back here I have my brush, right, and then my handy sleeve. Boom. It is my favorite pouch. I wish we could find a way to sell these, but the way you can buy it is by buying the whole belt. I have stopped using the maker belt. I'm just using this belt now. For wintertime, I need a belt that can easily change out. And with the maker one, it was getting hard to change that all the time. So I just went back with something like this. You guys ever need good belts? I just buy my belts at hardware stores. Neighbor wants a bed.
Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again. I wake again. I pray the Lord that I. Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again. I wake again. I pray the Lord that I. Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again. I wake again. I pray the Lord that I. Now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord that I wake again. I wake again. I pray the Lord that I wake.
Okay, so we got a little impromptu home here at the very end. We're a little behind as far as people, so we'll do this house, then we'll be done. Well, then I'll be done. Oh, somebody liked my story. that wasn't too bad. That was a easier job. Well, that wasn't too bad. A quick job. Give me a little tip. It's always funny getting tips because I don't ever expect them. I don't. The prices are always pretty good as far as, you know, as far as hourly, but it's nice to get them every once in a while. It's not too bad. Put some cash in my wallet. Yay. Anyways, that's a wrap on today. It's good to have a negative COVID test. Feel good about working today, but that's about it. I know I said that the next video 2 videos ago is going to be about like best of 2020 tools. Is that best tools of 2020? You guys really want to see that? Will that be helpful? Will that not be helpful? I don't know. I don't know if that'd be helpful. I was going to do a giveaway with it. I don't know about that anymore either. I don't really know. But anyways, I hope you all are having a good holiday season. I know we are. A lot of big things coming up. It's really, really weird. Once again, I'll say it's very, very weird to be finishing up my last, like, basically few weeks with 2020 window cleaning. It's very, very weird. It's a very, very weird time. But it's a good time and exciting time as well. So anyways, talk to y'all soon. Bye bye.